In this video, you will learn how to pay with Capitec Virtual Card. Activate your virtual card in the Capitec app. Open the Capitec app and go to Cards, then tap on Virtual tab. Follow the steps to activate your virtual card. Set your spending limit. Adjust limits for online, international, scan as you pay, or card machine transactions to suit your preferences. View your card details. Tap on Virtual Card to see the 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV code. Use card details at checkout. Enter the virtual card information when shopping online, just like a physical debt or credit card. Pay in store or via a QR code or mobile wallet. Use the Capitec app scan to pay feature, then link your card to the Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. Manage or replace as needed. Easily delete or disable or regenerate your virtual card in the Capitec app if you need to for security or convenience. Now you know how to pay with your Capitec virtual card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.